Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Sophie. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you something.
Wow, Mike, you seem really excited. What's going on?
I got the promotion. Remember I told you I applied for that senior position at work?
What? Mike, that's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I just found out this morning. I still can't believe it.
I'm so happy for you. This is wonderful news.
Thanks. I'm kind of in shock. I've been smiling all day.
I can see that. You're glowing.
Wait, this is actually perfect for today's episode.
What do you mean?
Sharing good news. I just shared my news with you, and we can teach everyone how to do it in English.
Oh, you're absolutely right. This is perfect timing.
Yes, let's talk about how to share good news, celebrate achievements, and respond when others share theirs.
And how to express feelings, excitement, happiness, pride.
Perfect. And I get to celebrate during the episode.
You absolutely do. Let's start. Mike, your promotion is fantastic news, but there are many types of good news people share.
Like what?
Work achievements, promotions, new jobs, completing projects.
Personal achievements, finishing a course, learning a new skill, reaching a fitness goal.
Life events, engagements, weddings, pregnancies, new homes.
Travel plans. I'm going to Japan. I booked my dream vacation.
Yes, and smaller victories. I passed my driving test. I finished that book. I cleaned out my closet.
So good news comes in all sizes.
Exactly. Big or small, it's worth sharing and celebrating. Okay, Mike, you burst in here saying, I have to tell you something. That's one way to start.
I was too excited to be subtle.
And that's perfect. High energy. You can also say, guess what? That builds suspense.
Guess what? I got the job.
And I have some great news. That sets a positive tone.
I have some exciting news to share.
Perfect. You can also be direct. I got engaged. I bought a house. I'm having a baby.
So it depends on the situation and my personality.
Exactly. Enthusiastic people burst out. Calm people might be more measured.
I'm definitely the bursting type. How do we show we're excited about our own news?
You can use phrases like, I'm so excited, I'm thrilled, I'm over the moon.
I'm over the moon about the promotion.
Great! Over the moon means extremely happy. You can also say, I can't believe it. I'm still in shock. This is a dream come true.
I can't stop smiling. I'm on cloud 9.
Excellent. On cloud 9, another way to say extremely happy.
What about more moderate excitement?
You can say, I'm really happy about it. I'm pleased. I'm delighted.
So I can match the phrase to how excited I actually am.
Exactly. Be authentic. Now, when someone shares good news with you, how do you respond?
Well, you said congratulations to me.
Yes, congratulations is the classic response. You can make it stronger. Huge congratulations. Congratulations, that's amazing.
So I show enthusiasm and support.
Exactly. Match their energy. If they're super excited, be excited too. You can also ask follow-up questions. When did you find out? How do you feel? When does it start?
Tell me everything. How did it happen?
Yes, that shows you're interested and want to hear more.
That's what friends do.
Absolutely.
Sophie, how do we talk about our own achievements without sounding, like we're bragging?
That's a great question. It's about balance. You can acknowledge it's an achievement while being humble. I'm proud of myself for finishing the marathon. I worked really hard for this promotion.
I'm happy with how the project turned out.
Perfect. You're taking credit, but not being arrogant. You can also mention the effort. It took months of studying, but I passed the exam.
So I show it wasn't easy.
Right. You can also thank people who helped. I couldn't have done it without my team. My family was so supportive.
That's humble and gracious.
Exactly. When you share good news, people often ask, how did it happen?
I've been working on this project for a year, and yesterday my boss said she loved it.
Great. You're giving context. You can use first, then, finally to organize the story.
First, I submitted my application. Then, I waited nervously for 2 weeks. Finally, they offered me the position.
Perfect. Clear and organized.
What if the good news is surprising, like something unexpected?
You use surprise expressions. I can't believe it. I'm in shock. I never expected this.
I'm shocked. I thought someone else would get it.
Yes, you can also say, it came out of nowhere. I'm pleasantly surprised. This is unexpected.
When someone shares good news, we should celebrate with them.
Absolutely. You can say, we should celebrate. This calls for a celebration. Let's do something special.
Let's go out for dinner to celebrate.
Perfect. You're suggesting a specific way to celebrate.
Let's go toast to this.
Yes, toasting is a common way to celebrate. Tell us the full story of your promotion. How did it happen?
Okay, so 2 months ago, my boss told me the senior position was opening up. She suggested I apply.
That's a good sign.
Right, so I applied, and I had to write a proposal about my vision for the role. That took me a week.
That's a lot of work.
It was. Then I had 2 interviews, one with my boss, one with the whole management team.
That sounds intense.
It was. I was so nervous, but I prepared a lot, and I think it went well.
Obviously it did. And then?
Then I waited 2 weeks. It felt like forever. And this morning, my boss called me into her office and told me I got it.
Mike, that's wonderful. How did you react?
I think I said, "Really? Are you sure?" like 3 times. I couldn't believe it.
That's so sweet. You deserve this, Mike. You work so hard.
Thank you, Sophie. That means a lot. Do you have any good news to share?
Actually, yes. It's smaller than yours, but I'm excited about it.
Tell me. All good news is worth sharing.
I finished writing the first draft of my children's book.
What? Sophie, that's amazing. I didn't even know you were writing a book.
I've been working on it quietly for 6 months. I didn't want to talk about it until I finished.
6 months? That's dedication. How do you feel?
Relieved and proud and a bit scared. Now I have to edit it.
But you did it. You finished a whole book. That's incredible.
Thank you. I'm really pleased with how it turned out.
You should be. Congratulations, Sophie.
Thanks, Mike. We can also talk about good news we hope for in the future.
Like goals and dreams.
Exactly. I'm hoping to get promoted next year. I'm working toward buying a house. I'm aiming to run a marathon.
I'm hoping to travel more.
You can share what you're working toward. I'm saving up for a new car. I'm training for a half marathon. I'm learning Spanish so I can live in Spain.
I'm hoping to publish my book someday.
Are you writing a book too?
No, just an example, but maybe someday.
You should. You have stories to tell. Let's practice sharing news and responding to good news. I'll share news, you respond.
Okay.
Mike, guess what? I got accepted into the photography course I applied for.
Oh my gosh, Sophie, that's fantastic. Congratulations. When did you find out?
Just today. I'm so excited. I've wanted to take this course for ages.
You're going to be amazing. When does it start?
Next month. I can't wait.
I'm so happy for you. We should celebrate.
See everyone? Natural enthusiasm and support.
And follow-up questions to show interest.
Exactly. Let's review the most important phrases.
Yes.
Announcing. Guess what? I have great news. I have to tell you something.
Expressing excitement. I'm thrilled. I'm over the moon. I can't believe it.
Responding. Congratulations. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you.
Celebrating. We should celebrate. This calls for a celebration. Let's toast to this.
Encouraging. You deserve this. You should be proud. Give yourself credit.
These cover most situations.
They do. Everyone, we hope this episode helps you share your good news confidently.
Tell us, what good news do you have to share, big or small?
Share in the comments. We want to celebrate with you.
And when friends share good news, remember to respond with enthusiasm.
Celebrate each other. Life is better when we share joy.
Absolutely.
You know what, Mike?
What?
We should actually celebrate your promotion properly, not just on the podcast.
Really?
Yes, let's go out this weekend. Dinner, drinks, the whole thing.
Sophie, you don't have to do that.
I want to. You worked so hard for this. And we should celebrate my book, too.
Oh, a double celebration.
Exactly. Friday night?
Perfect. I'll book somewhere nice. See, everyone? This is what friends do. Celebrate together.
Support each other's wins.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, we need to start planning our celebration.
Thanks for sharing this happy episode with us.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Have a wonderful week.